Okay, so hello again, guys. For this example, we will label this very basic building. So this is one of the most easiest building to draw. Okay, so first things first, again, let's draw the base. So for this one, I will be using E tool since it is rectangle. So for this type of buildings, it's best to use E tool. Guys, so you should be careful when drawing this kind of building. So there are flat buildings, but for example, I think this is flat. But if you see a slope, then we need to capture. Sorry, if you see a slight um, uh, curve on the top, so we need to capture this as uh, we need to put a ridge. Okay, so 9. We just need to make sure that the ridge is on the center. So after that, we will match. Okay, and then let's capture our panels. So this has a very small ridge. So yeah, with, let's fix the purple using okay, so see, we cannot click. If we cannot, let's try this one. So control, sorry, shift Y. Okay, so we've done, if we have fixed the panel. So that's uh, okay. So for this one, let's try to fix shift Y. Okay, yeah. So it wasn't purple, but I've noticed that it was not aligned with the wall. So I just use shift Y. So for extensions, let's use our assist line technique so that we can capture this fast, efficiently. So again, assist line, and let's go. Let's proceed with the matching. Hmm, little more. Again, always use your right as a reference when capturing. Let's capture this. Oh, and change to secondary independent because I'm seeing pillars below. See, it has support below. And next is this one. For this one, this might be a secondary attachment, but it is attached. So let's see. Let's look for other views. Let's try this one. Okay, so oh no, where is our target building? This one. Okay, so for this one. So again, we will use 9 to connect to the wall. We need to make assist line. So I think our wall is too long. Let's adjust. Oh, this was our target building. Okay. So again, sorry. Yeah, that's a draw. So again, guys, your assist line, it is unlimited. So it doesn't matter if you tried to draw or to match or to use it 100 times, it does not matter. So it's there for you to use. Next is this part. Oh no. Don't snap. Okay, don't snap. It needs to be floating. And then we will proceed with the matching. Let's see. Okay, so this one should be secondary attached because it is attached and has no support. So let's remove and just try to adjust. There. So next is this one. It is an attachment also. So you always need to put an assist line, guys. So take note of that. Okay, so let's check other views. We don't have a good view here. Let's try this one. So it is again. And again, do not snap on the wall. Adjust. So let's check 3D view. Oh, so this is wrong. It's too high. Okay. And so we are done. So this is a secondary attached roof because we do not see any support, any pillars, any walls, or any pillars below. And lastly, the chimney. So for the chimneys, this is what I do. I do not capture this chimney above the building. So the tendency, if you capture this one, uh, your drawing will follow the slope of the roof. So it's better to capture this chimney. You need to draw first outside of the building. Okay, outside of your target building. You can adjust later on. Change to building, drag the wall. So drag it there and switch to the other view and then just switch to the right view and then just drag to its proper location. So minor adjustments. And lastly, we need to follow the length of our main building's wall. So for that, just click the chimney or the building that you want the wall to be adjusted, and then click on your target building that you want to follow. For this, I mean, just hover. So click and then hover on your target, press 6, and then it will automatically follow your target building's wall. Okay. And lastly, group, do not forget to use the autofix. So the chimney, it needs to be integrated or inserted to the main building. So for this purple lines, it's okay to ignore those small purple lines. And we are done. So this is one of the most easiest buildings to draw. So I hope you can learn from this, and thank you guys.